Good morning, student. I hope you all are safe at your home. Before I start your second chapter, my dear student, I want to ask you one question. Do you know which part of computer is used to type poem, story and letters? I hope you all are know the answer. Keyboard. Keyboard is an input device that is used to type a poem, story and letters. In this chapter, we, we will learn about QWERTY keyboard, understand various types of keys and their function. So now I am going to start your second chapter more about keyboard. It is the only first part of this chapter. So keyboard is a what? Keyboard is an input device that we can use to enter or type data by pressing various keys on the keyboard. QWERTY keyboard. Do you know what is a QWERTY keyboard? QWERTY keyboard is a keyboard designed for Latin script alphabets. The name comes from the order of the first 6 keys on the top left letter row of the keyboard. If you see the keyboard, the first row of the alphabet keys, there is written Q, W, E, R, T, Y, QWERTY. Okay, the letters on the keyboard are not arranged in alphabetic order. The keyboards used by us are also known as QWERTY keyboard, as the arrangement of the letters in the first row of the keyboard in this order. This arrangement of the letters is similar to the one found on the typewriter. If you seen the typewriters ever, you see the arrangement of the keys of alphabet. It's just like same of the keyboard. So who invented the computer keyboard? Do you know who invented the computer keyboard? Christopher Schorf invented the computer keyboard. Now we learn about the different types of keys. The keys on the keyboard can be broadly divided into the following groups: alphabet keys, number keys, cursor control keys, function keys, special keys. This means computer keyboard can be divided in the following groups. How many groups is here? There is 5 groups. First one is alphabet keys, numbers keys, cursor control keys, function keys and special keys. Today we learn about alphabet keys, number keys, cursor control keys and the function keys. These 4 keys I am explaining you in this part, and the last one, special keys, I will explain you in the second part of this session. The first one is alphabet keys. What is alphabet keys? Do you know how many letters in alphabet? 26. Simple. There are 26 alphabet keys on a computer keyboard. These keys are marked with letters A to Z. If we want to type different words, sentence, poem, story, essay, then which key we can use? We use alphabet keys. We can also type both capital and small letter using alphabet keys. If you see the picture, there is a green, some keys are in green color. These all green colors are which keys? Alphabet keys. Okay. The second one is number keys. Some keys have the numbers on it, 0 to 9. These keys are called numbers keys. Do you know on the keyboard there is a 2 set of numbers keys. The first set number keys is where? Present above the alphabet keys, and the second set of number keys right side of the keyboard. For using the right side of the keyboard, first we have to press the numlock key and turn it on. When the numlock key is on, then the light indicator glows. Then we can use numlock keys. It means which keys? The right side of the keyboard. If the numlock key is turned on, then we can type the numbers from the right side of the keypad. Okay, so how many set of numbers keys on the keyboard? There is two set of numbers keys on the keyboard. First set is where? First set is present above the alphabet keys, and the second set is where? Second set is the present on the right side of the keyboard. For using the second side of keys, number keys, we should on the numlock key first. The third one is the cursor control keys. A special symbol, that is a small blanking line that show where the next letter or numbers will appear on the computer screen, is known as cursor. You already learned this thing in your previous class. What is cursor? Cursor is a small blanking line that tell us where we should type the next letter or numbers. For if we want to type different place, we can change the position of the cursor. For change the position of cursor or move the cursor from left to right, up and down by pressing the four arrows keys. These four arrow keys is called cursor control keys. Cursor control keys are also known as direction keys or arrow keys or navigation keys. It means how many cursor control keys? There is four cursor control keys. And what is a cursor? Cursor is a small blanking line that show where the next letter or the number will type or appears. The third one is the function. Fourth one is the function keys. Some keys marked with the letters F1 to F12. Have you seen this thing in the computer keyboard? F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11 and F12. How many function keys on the keyboard? There are 12 function keys on the keyboard. Each function keys are used for performing some specific function. For example, F1 is the help key. The help screen opens in most software when this key is pressed. So today I explain you alphabet keys, numbers keys, cursor control keys and function keys. There are 12 function keys on the keyboard. So what is the function of the function keys? F1 is used to open the help screen. Okay. F2 allow you to rename a select file or folder. F3 is used to open a search features for an application that is active at the moment. F4 is used with the combination of Alt key and closes the active window. F5 allows you to refresh or reload the page or document window. F6 is used to move the cursor to the address bar in most internet browser. F7 is used to spell check and grammar check a document in Microsoft applications such as Microsoft Word. F8 is used to access the boot menu in Windows when turning on the computer. F9 is used to refresh a document in Microsoft Word and send and receive email in Microsoft Outlook. Activity F10 is used to activate the menu bar on an open application. Shift plus F10 is the same as the right clicking. It means F10 is also used with the combination of other key, which key? Shift key, and it is same just like a right clicking. F11 is used to enter and exit full screen mode in internet browser. F12 is used to open the Save As dialog box in Microsoft Word. Okay, this is the function of the function keys F2, F1 to F12. This is not in my syllabus dear, but you have to know the function of these function keys. Learn these all things and try to write the function of function keys in your notebook. In the next class, I will explain you special keys and their function. Then my dear student, the first part of this chapter is finished. Learn this first part, revise it, and the next session we will meet again. Which topic? Special keys and their function. Till then, my dear students, bye, take care.